we are taking polygon part 2. Question is, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has measure of 45 degree. It is very simple question. इसके ऊपर आपको एक टिप्स दे रहा हूँ. एक फॉर्मूला है, नंबर ऑफ साइड्स into measure of each exterior angles equal to 360 degree. ये है फॉर्मूला फॉर एक्सटीरियर एंगल ओनली. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इंटू मेजर ऑफ ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल 360 डिग्री. यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इज टू बी फाउंड आउट. सो नंबर ऑफ साइड्स into measure of each exterior angle, it is given 45 equal to 360. Number of sides equal to 360 degree divided by 45 degree equal to 8. That means sides are 8. It is octagon. Octagon. This is the answer. This is the second question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? This question is just opposite to the previous one. In the previous question it was given exterior angle. Now we are having interior angles. So we have to convert interior angles into exterior angle in terms of linear pair. Now how I am showing. Interior angles plus exterior angle equal to 180 degree, being it is a linear pair. Linear pair. Now interior angle is given 165 degree plus exterior angles equal to 180 degree. So exterior angles equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree equal to 15 degree. Exterior angle 15 degree. Now again, number of sides into each exterior angles equal to 360 degree. Number of sides equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle, it is 15. Number of sides are 24. Whenever interior angle is given, it is mandatory to convert it into exterior angle with the help of linear pair formula. Now as soon as you will get the exterior angle, Now put this formula, number of sides into each exterior angle equal to 360. So it becomes very easy. Now coming to the third question. This is the third question. Find the number of sides of a polygon whose sum of interior angles is 1620. Now sum of all the interior angles of a given polygon equal to n minus 2 into equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now sum of all the interior angles of a given polygon is 1620. It is given. A number of sides we have to find out. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Now 1620 divided by 180 equal to n minus 2. N equal to n minus 2, n plus 2 equal to n equal to 11. Number of sides are 11. Now I will show this question by second method. Sum of all the interior angles of a given polygon equal to, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन फॉर्मूला है n इंटू 2n माइनस 4 divided by n into 90 डिग्री. यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कैंसिल और 1620. Now 2n minus 2 into 90, it comes n minus 2 into 180 degree. 1620. That means 1620 divided by 180 equal to n minus 2. That is 9, n equal to 11. In both the cases you can solve this question. Now come to the question 4. This is the fourth question. Determine the number of sides of a polygon whose exterior angles and interior angles are in the ratio 1:5. Let the exterior angle be x. So the interior angle would be supplementary angle would be 180 minus s degree. Now, as per question, ratio is 1:5. So, exterior angle divided by interior angle equal to 1:5. Exterior angle x 180 minus x equal to 1 by 5. 5x equal to 180 minus x. 5x plus x equal to 180 degree. 6x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree divided by 6, that means 30 degree. So exterior angle is 30 degree and it is 150 degree. Exterior angles equal to 30 degree, interior angle equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. Now, here we have been asked to determine the number of sides. Now, when we get exterior angle is 30 degree, so put the in this way, exterior angle into number of sides into exterior angles equal to 360 degree. Number of sides equal to 360 degree divided by 30 degree. That means equal to 12. This is the answer of this question. With the help of ratio, we have found out the exterior angle. If it comes exterior angle is 30, so put this formula and find out the number of sides. Come to the next is the fifth question. A polygon has 27 diagonals. Find the number of sides of the polygon. In NCERT book, nowhere it is written about diagonals of the polygon, but I am giving you the method or formula. A polygon has 27 diagonals. Find the number of diagonals equal to n minus 3 divided by 2. This is the formula to find out the number of diagonal. Now here it is given 27. 27 equal to number of sides found out, n minus 3 divided by 2. That means 54 equal to n square minus 3n, or we can write n square minus 3n minus 54 equal to 0. Now, by the method of splitting the middle term, we can find out the value of x. N square minus 9x plus 6x minus 54, n minus 9. N plus 6n minus 9. Now n minus 9 n plus 6 equal to 0. Now if n minus 9 is 0, n minus 9 equal to 0, then n equal to 9. If n plus 6 equal to 0, then n equal to minus 6. But in this case, there are two values of number of sides. Number of sides cannot be negative. So we can discard this n equal to minus 6. So the number of sides equal to 9. This is the answer of this question. Now this is the sixth question. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is double of its exterior angle. Find the number of sides in the polygon. Very, very simple question. Like patties, hot patties. Now how? I will show you. Let the exterior angle be x degree and the interior angle be double, that means 2x degree. Now when we get exterior angle and interior angle, very simple. Interior angle plus exterior angle equal to 180 degree. Interior angle 2x plus x 180 degree. 3x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 divided by 3, that means 60 degree. Now we get exterior angle is 60 degree. Number of sides into exterior angles equal to 360 degree. Number of sides we have to find out. So number of sides into exterior angle is 60 degree equal to 360 degree. Number of sides equal to 360 divided by 60 degree, that means 6. It is hexagon. This is the seventh question. In a convex hexagon, prove that the sum of all the interior angle is equal to the twice the sum of the exterior angles formed by producing the sides in the same order. यहाँ पे आपको प्रूव करना है कि all the interior angles is equal to twice the the exterior angle. Now here we know sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon equal to 360 degree. We know it. Now here number of sides is 6. So each exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by 6, that means 60 degree. Each exterior angle. So each interior angle equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. ये each interior angles, यहाँ पे हेक्सागन है, that means interior angle 6 होंगे, तो sum of all the interior angles equal to 6 into 120 equal to 700. Now come to the proving top point. We have to prove sum of all the interior angles. Now यहाँ पे 720 degree is the sum of all the interior angles. Twice 2 into sum of all the exterior angle is 360. Proved. अच्छा, पॉलीगॉन में मैंने 2 पार्ट में जितने भी सिखाना था इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आई हैव सॉल्व्ड, और आज मैं पॉलीगॉन के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ जो मैंने फर्स्ट पार्ट में बताया नहीं। मैंने जानबूझ के नहीं बताया था। हर बुक में ये लिखा है कि पॉलीगॉन आर ऑफ 2 टाइप्स, कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन एंड कॉनकेव पॉलीगॉन। अगर 2 टाइप में मान लेता हूँ कि 2 टाइप का है, तो वेयर वी प्लेस रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन एंड इरेगुलर पॉलीगॉन, उनका भी तो कुछ नंबर होना चाहिए, बट ये कहीं पे नहीं लिखा नहीं है। तो मैं इसको ये आप कुछ कन्फ्यूजन भी हो सकता है कि व्हाई इट इज़ नॉट सो। नाउ मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ, क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ, दैट इज़ पॉलीगॉन आर डिफरेंशिएटेड बिटवीन 2 पार्ट्स। एक है इन टर्म्स ऑफ इक्वी एंगुलर एंड इक्विलैटरल। यहां पे है इन टर्म्स ऑफ इक्वी एंगुलर एंड इक्विलैटरल। यहाँ पे 2 पार्ट आता है। एक है रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन, रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन इन टर्म्स ऑफ इक्वी एंगुलर एंड इक्विलैटरल, दैट मीन्स क्या क्या होगा। एक है इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, और बी में आता है स्क्वायर। ये है रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन का 2 पार्ट, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल एंड स्क्वायर। ये दोनों रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन में आता है क्योंकि तीनों साइड्स इक्वल है, तीनों एंगल इक्वल है इन केस ऑफ ट्रायंगल, और स्क्वायर में चारों साइड और 4 एंगल इक्वल है। सो वी कैन से इट इज़ ए रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट है इरेगुलर पॉलीगॉन। पॉलीगॉन। यहाँ पे आता है ट्रेपेजियम, बी काइट, सी पैरेललोग्राम, डी रेक्टेंगल, ई रोम्बस। इनका इक्विलेटरल, ये रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस, काइट, ये रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन नहीं है, इरेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है। इसमें दीज आर नाइदर इक्विएंगुलर नॉर इक्विलेटरल, दैट इज व्हाई it comes under irregular polygon. Now I am going to second part, that is convex polygon and concave polygon in terms of 180 degree. यहाँ पे दो है, एक है कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन ए पार्ट, whose each interior angles is less than 180 degree, that is convex polygon. और बी पार्ट में है कॉनकेव पॉलीगॉन। concave polygon whose at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree, in terms of 180 degree. Convex polygon whose each interior angle is less than 180 degree, जितने भी कितने भी एंगल हो 180 से कम होगा। और कॉनकेव पॉलीगॉन में whose at least one interior angle must be greater than 180 or is greater than 180. Now I hope it is clear. तो पॉलीगॉन पार्ट मैं इस एपिसोड में ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ। ओके, गुड बाय।